Let me show you how to turn these kitchen items into home decor. I've got simple hacks for cozy lighting, no outlet or wires needed. I went to my local thrift store. I was in search for a lamp. It didn't have to work for the project I had in mind. This was perfect. It was heavy and could withstand being outside in my patio. So I brought it home with me. The first thing that I needed to do was clean my lamp. I started by first removing the price tag. It was $8 and change. It was not bad. This was a good deal because I could tell it was old just by the wiring, and also it was heavy and sturdy. I started by cutting off the wire since I was not going to need it. And then with the tip of my scissors, I pushed in the remaining wire back into the opening. The wire was so old and brittle, but that's okay. I wasn't going to need it. I love the details on the lamp. The wood is beautiful. I'm not sure if the gold accents are brass, but at any rate, this is a well-preserved lamp. And it's heavy. I made sure to give it a good cleaning using some cleaning wipes. Next, I went in with some rub and buff in the color antique gold. I applied it in all the gold accents. My lamp base needed a lampshade. I had this wicker basket, so I decided to use this as a lampshade. I just needed to make an opening at the bottom of the center. I used some scissors to create the opening. And now to finish up my project, I'm going to add this cordless battery-operated light bulb. And lastly, slip on my lampshade. The lamp just gave my patio such a cozy feel to it. This is exactly what I've been wanting. And by using the wicker basket, it gave it such character and charm. I think so. Let me know what you think. No outlet, no problem. Try this light hack for your next project. For my next project, I headed to Dollar Tree to pick up a packet of flexible cutting mats. I'm also going to use an 8x10 stretch canvas. My plan is to create a lighted house number sign. The first thing that I needed to do is cut the cutting mat to fit my canvas. Using the canvas as my guide, I drew a line on the mat where I would need to cut off the excess. I was gonna need some numbers, so I created these on my Cricut. This is the font I used, and these are the dimensions. To light up my number sign, I'm gonna use one remote control puck light and place it in the center of the canvas. The puck light comes with a round stick-on metal because they attach magnetically. For additional adhesive, I'm gonna add Gorilla Glue and hot glue to the stick-on metal. I'm going to temporarily tape the mat to the canvas by using masking tape. This will allow me to hold it in place so that I can mark off the center point where I'll be placing my numbers. Now that I have the center marked off, I'm going to remove the mat off the canvas and place the numbers on the mat. Now it's time to attach the mat permanently to the canvas. First, I'm going to add some hot glue and then go in with some Gorilla Glue along the side of the canvas. I'll be using tape to hold them together while the glues adhere well. I'll repeat the same steps to the other side. For extra hold, I added small nails along the side. This turned out nicer than I expected. I would not recommend this to be out in the open, but under some sort of covering such as a porch. I'd love your thoughts on it. Let me know what you think. While I was at Dollar Tree, I came across this placemat. I immediately knew what I wanted to create with it, and it wasn't for my table. The print on it was just stunning and very classy looking. One side has a nice champagne color, while the other side has a light creamy white. I created another dome just as I did for the project before, but this one I'm going to add the placemat over the dome. I'm going to attach the sides with some hot glue for a quick hold. And then I'm going to go in with some small nails for permanent hold. absolutely love how this sconce turned out. This is perfect in any area of your house that needs a touch of light. No plug, no problem. Let me know what you think of this DIY. I have linked all the lights I used on my Amazon store. Link is in my description box. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.